Welcome to YVS Crochet Art. Let's begin with 3 mm hook and a slip knot as shown. Now we have to work on chains. It should be a multiple of 4 chains. This is the row 1 and I have worked on 24 chains so far. Round 2 begins. Work on 1 single crochet into the second stitch. We have to skip the first one. Into the next stitch, work on a single crochet stitch. Into the next, work on single crochet stitch. Like this, we have to work on single crochets throughout the row 1. Work till the end. After working on row 2, now begins row 3. For that, work on 3 chain, consider it as 1 double crochet stitch. Flip the work to the backwards. Skip the first stitch and into the second stitch we have to work on 1 double crochet stitch. Into the next, work on 1 double crochet stitch. Into the next, work on 1 double crochet. Like this, we have to work on 1 double crochet stitches in each and every single crochet stitch along the row. Repeat till the end. After working on the row, work on last double crochet stitch into the last stitch. Row 3 completed. For row 4, work on 3 chain, consider it as 1 double crochet, flip the work and into the second stitch, work on 1 double crochet stitch. Now into the next double crochet stitch as shown, work on 1 front postal puff stitch. We have to yarn over, insert the hook to the front side of the double crochet stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop little longer as shown. Again yarn over, insert the stitch, hook into the stitch into the front side, yarn over, pull up a loop for a long time. Now yarn over, pull through all the stitches and work on a puff stitch. Now into the next double crochet stitch we have to work on 1 double crochet stitch. Into the next stitch work on 1 front postal puff stitch as shown. We have to yarn over 2 times into the double crochet stitch and we have to yarn over, pull through all the loops and work on a puff stitch. Now again into the next stitch work on 1 double crochet stitch. Again into the next stitch we have to work on 1 front postal puff stitch. We have to yarn over twice and pull the loop a little longer so that a puff will be formed like this. Yarn over, pull through all the puff stitches, loops and work on a puff stitch. And into the next stitch work on a double crochet stitch as shown. Like this we have to repeat till the end. Now last 2 stitches were left, so that we have to work on a double crochet into the last second stitch and a double crochet into the last stitch. row 5 begins, work on 1 chain, flip the work, and into the very first stitch work on 1 single crochet stitch, and into the next stitch work on 1 single crochet stitch, into the next stitch work on 1 single crochet. Like this we have to work on 1 single crochet in each and every stitch till the end of the row. Work till the end. Now we have to flip the work again. Round 6 begins. Work on 2 chain, consider it as 1 double crochet, and into the very first stitch, into the next stitch we have to work on 1 front postal puff stitch. We have to yarn over twice and pull a little longer so that a longer loops are formed. Yarn over, pull through all the loops together and work on a puff stitch. And into the next stitch where we have done puff stitch in previous round, in that stitch we have to work on 1 double crochet stitch, and into the next stitch over there of double crochet stitch we have to work on front postal puff stitch into the double crochet stitch, like this. And into the next puff stitch of the previous round work on 1 double crochet stitch. Again into the next double crochet of the previous round work on 1 front postal puff stitch, and into the next puff stitch of previous round work on 1 double crochet stitch. Into the next double crochet of previous round work on 1 front postal puff stitch into the stitch. Into the next previous puff stitch work on 1 double crochet. Like this we have to work till the end, and at last 2 stitches into the last double crochet of previous round work on 1 puff stitch, and into the last double crochet work on 1 double crochet stitch. Row 7 begins. Work on 1 chain, flip the work, and into the same stitch work on 1 single crochet stitch, into the next work on 1 single crochet, and along the row 7 we have to work on 1 single crochet till the end. Like this. Now again work on row 8, work on 3 chain, flip the work, consider it as 1 double crochet, and into the next stitch work on 1 double crochet stitch into the previous puff stitch, and into the previous double crochet stitch there we have to work on a puff stitch, that is a front postal puff stitch, like this as shown. Again into the next puff stitch of previous round work on 1 double crochet stitch. Again into the next double crochet stitch work on 1 front postal puff stitch. And into the next stitch of previous puff stitch we have to work on 1 double crochet. Like this we have to work till the end. If you want to learn the class in your own language, please turn on the audio dub available in the video settings. You can change the language in the video settings and you can learn very easily. So at last 2 stitches we have to work on 2 double crochets. 1 double crochet into the first and 1 double crochet into the second stitch. Now work on 1 chain, flip to the back side. Row 8 begins. Work on 1 single crochet into the first stitch. Work on 1 single crochet into the second stitch. Like this we have to work till the end and to the desired length that you required. At last it will look like this. I think you love this video. Thank you so much for watching.